let's say you have a beef with someone on Instagram and you want to not only block that one account, but also block all of their accounts, everything that they might create. In this video, we're going to see if that is possible or not. Let's say I'm on my Instagram and I want to maybe block this account. So what I do is I could either tap on these three dots or tap on following. So let's do it like this. So as you can see, the second option is block. And once I tap on that, it just says block. But in the past, it actually offered two different options. I mean, the second one now is block and report. But I remember back then it used to be block or block this account and all of the accounts that they might create. But now it just doesn't show me that option. As you can see, when I tap on block, it just blocks this account and it doesn't show me any other options. But even in the past, that Instagram offered you the option to block a page and all the pages that that person could have created, they would have only blocked all the pages that that person could have created with the same phone number or the same email address. So, a person who might want to disturb you, they could create a new page with a new email address or a new phone number. So that way Instagram had no way of finding out that that person is the same person you wanted to block. So easily they could have found your page and maybe messaged you or requested to follow you or whatever. So I think Instagram kind of figured out that this option wasn't that much of use, so they just removed it altogether. Hope this helps.